What's the meaning of attorney? Attorney. Attorney.
Attorney. Attorney. An attorney is a legal professional who provides legal advice and represents clients in legal matters. They are licensed to practice law and have the authority to advocate on behalf of their clients in court. Attorneys can specialize in various areas of law such as corporate, criminal, family, immigration, and more. They are responsible for working with clients to understand their legal rights, drafting legal documents, negotiating settlements, and representing them in court if necessary. Ultimately, attorneys play a critical role in upholding the law and ensuring justice is served for their clients.